Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix notifications not coming through on WhatsApp. So to fix that problem there is few solutions that we can do. The first thing is to enable notifications in your phone settings. So to enable them you have just to go to apps. After that, look for WhatsApp and look for notifications. And here you should enable the notifications like that. And now you will receive the notifications, and this is the first solution. The second thing is to check WhatsApp notification settings. And to do it, we have just to go to WhatsApp, open it. After that, you click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that, you go to notifications and be sure that all the settings of the notifications are set it well. And if you are not sure, you can reset notification settings by clicking here and clicking reset, and they will be back like they were when you installed the app. After that, check if the chat that you are not receiving the notifications from it, if it's a muted chat. So for example, I will show you. If I long press on that chat, I can mute it, for example like that. And as you can see, there is a silent icon next to that chat. So if that person will send me a message, I will not receive a notification. So to deactivate that muted chat, you have to long press on the chat and click on unmute. Like that, I will receive a notification from that chat. Another thing that I can do is to turn off do not disturb or focus mode. You have just to swipe down and be sure that you are not using the do not disturb or the sleep mode or the focus mode here, because when you use them, they will block notifications from arriving to your phone. Another thing that we can do is to check your internet connection. Go to settings, and after that, let me be back. Go to cellular and scroll down, go to WhatsApp, and be sure that you choose WLAN and cellular data in this option, so your WhatsApp will work whether you are using Wi-Fi or cellular data. It's a very important thing. And another thing is just simple to restart WhatsApp and restart your phone. And to restart, you have just to swipe up for WhatsApp and close it like that. And to restart your phone, of course, you know how to restart your phone, and maybe you have to leave it closed for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, open it again. And another thing that you can check is to go and check if there is some update for WhatsApp, because sometimes when you don't update your applications for a long time, they may not work properly for you. So we go and search for WhatsApp. And as you can see, it's updated for me. So I don't have any update here because I see the icon of open, not the icon of update. And another thing you have to do is, if your WhatsApp is connected to other devices, you have to log out from them and try to check if your notifications are working or not. And to know that, you have to click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go to linked devices. And if you have here any linked device, computer or another phone, try to disconnect them temporarily and check again if the notifications are working or not. And the last solution is to back up your WhatsApp and reinstall the application. And to do the backup, you have just to go to chats, and after that chat backup, and do your backup like this, for example. And after that, you have to delete the application and install it again. And I'm pretty sure by using one of these solutions, they will work well for you, and notifications are going to work again on your phone. I hope that this video was useful for you. If the video was useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.